Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. A little technical difficulty. Okay, so this is the plan for today. And the first thing you're going to do is report attendance, and then you're going to this photo for your actividad inicial, your warm-up. I'm going to move this picture here. Okay, so last class you learned different ways to say hello and goodbye in Spanish. Please type one greeting and one way to say goodbye in the comments. So what I would do is just copy these and then put in the reply. And maybe put here a greeting and here goodbye way, or you can simply just do it with the number, because since I put the numbers there, number one will be for a greeting and number two will be for a goodbye. So, and then you post your reply and that's it. Okay, back to the plan. You have to complete some activities here. You're going to complete 4 activities in this site. So you can click here and it takes you directly to the site. It may ask you for a password at that point or may ask you for a password later. So I put the login information here. This is the login information, the username PRMS1, and the password is learn forever, just like it is here. Then once you get there, under the okay, so you click on realidades, I think it says here, yeah, for realidades 1, and then it says under the column preliminary practices, select the link to page 1 en la escuela. So you're right here, page 1 en la escuela is right here. So how did you do this activity? Oh, let's go back just 1 second to the plan. And it says that you're going to complete the activity, take a screenshot with the score. You need to capture the score and part of the activity or the whole activity, so I can see that that's the score for that particular activity. If I cannot see that, then I cannot give you the credit for that, because I need to be able to see that. And then you're going to repeat that for pages 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to go and help you, explain you how to do these activities, the different activities. So you have some phrases in blue and some in pink, and what you're going to do is you're going to match them. So for example, ¿qué pasa? And then to answer to ¿qué pasa? I say nada. And then I drop it here. Now it's going to show you here if your answers are right and what your score is so far. So I'll fast forward to the end. And I finished. I have 8 answers, 0 mistakes, and there's my score. So what I want you to do is to make your screenshot. Oh, yes, now I cannot make a screenshot because I'm recording. I'm sorry. So just make a screenshot and grab this part right here so you can show me the score and that's the activity, the first activity. Let's go to the next activity, page 2. For page 2 says respond in Spanish. Respond in Spanish to the following situation. So if somebody says adios to you, you're going to say something like probably hasta luego. Don't forget to put a period. It has to turn green. And then buenos dias, you can say the same. Buenos dias, I would say. Here is, don't forget the special characters. And don't forget to finish with a period. If it's not green, it's because you need a period. And then you have 10 of those. Here's your score. So probably in this one, if you have it like this, you probably want to do take the screenshot of this part with the score. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is page 3. For page 3, it says express the following in Spanish. So how do you say good afternoon in Spanish? So you're going to type buenas tardes. Once again, it has to turn green. So it probably needs a period or something there. So it turns green. Likewise, how do you say likewise? You say igualmente. And so on. So you have 15 of this, same thing. Here's the score. When you finish, you take a screenshot of the score. And then the last one is page 4. Page 4, this one takes a little longer. But look at this. You have your word bank right here. So ways to say goodbye. So I'm going to look for ways to say goodbye. This is a way to say goodbye. Hasta luego. So I'm going to type here hasta luego. Now, in this particular activity, you do not, this doesn't turn green, but it disappears from here. So you see, hasta luego. Let's put hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Oh, remember that you can use the characters from here. Hasta mañana. So, oh wait, the hasta mañana has a period. And now it disappeared from here. And then talking about names, and then ways to express how you feel and ways to greet someone. So you need to put all these words under the corresponding column and then click score. It's going to give you score. It gave me only 10 points because I only answered these two. And then it's going to show me the green ones are the right ones, the pink ones are the wrong ones. And that's it. That's all you had to do for this. If you have any questions or you have any difficulties doing this, please contact me via email and I will be glad to help you. I'll talk to you later. Adios.